Unveiling the Mystery, Not Worth the Candle. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English idiom, not worth the candle. This phrase has a fascinating history and a meaning that's quite relevant in our modern-day decision-making. Stay tuned as we explore its origins, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English. The phrase, not worth the candle, dates back to a time before electric lights, when candles were a valuable source of light. This idiom originates from the 17th century, a period when gambling was a popular pastime. In those days, candles were an expensive commodity, and their use had to be justified by the significance of the occasion. The saying was used to weigh the cost of the candlelight against the activity being undertaken. If the activity, such as a game of cards, wasn't expected to bring in enough profit to cover the cost of the candle used during the game, it was deemed not worth the candle. This practical consideration has evolved into a metaphorical expression used to evaluate the worth of an endeavor. In contemporary English, not worth the candle is used metaphorically to suggest that something is not worth the effort or resources it requires. It's a way to express that the potential outcome of an action does not justify the time, energy, or cost involved in doing it. For example, if someone spends hours trying to fix an old, broken watch that's easily replaceable, one might say the effort is not worth the candle. The phrase is versatile and can be applied to various situations, from personal endeavors to business decisions, emphasizing the importance of resourcefulness and practicality in our choices. Incorporating idiomatic expressions like not worth the candle into your language repertoire can add nuance and depth to your communication. Here's how you can use it. When discussing projects or tasks that seem inefficient or overly costly. In conversations about decisions, to express doubt about the value of pursuing a particular course of action. To advise someone against investing too much in something with little to no return. Remember, the beauty of idioms lies in their ability to convey complex ideas succinctly and vividly. Practice using not worth the candle in sentences relevant to your experiences to master its usage. And there you have it, the idiom, not worth the candle, demystified. We hope this exploration has illuminated not just the phrase's historical roots but also how it can be applied today to express judiciousness and practicality. Happy learning! And may your endeavors always be worth more than the candle.